Hi everybody, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this really cool idea for a folding camping or beach table. This one is actually made of a lot of nice materials, including metal that is not going to show any kind of a dirt or anything, or it is completely waterproof as well because it's got the plastic and metal, which I like. The whole thing is actually only 11 pounds between the two parts here, and it seems to be fairly easy to put together. This is the base piece here that actually can spread out. And I'm going to show you this real quick. It actually just spreads out real simply like that. And then we're going to expand it out these pieces here. And this is going to be 17 inches high. And in addition to being 17 inches high, the tabletop is actually going to be 45 inches long. So it's actually going to be an extremely long table. So if you're going to be using this out, for example, to serve food on at a camping area, this is going to be a really long table, and it's almost 20 inches wide. So this is a very large one of these. This does have clips on this that you're simply going to clip in to the base back here, and those will simply snap in place. And then from there, we just extend it out. This table, again, setting 17 inches high, so if you're seated around a campfire, need a nice buffet table, needed to put drinks on this, very stable table here. It does have a nice net down here below as well, which is nice to keep additional things down below. Again, if you had this on the beach, sand and stuff could easily go through these cracks on here. Water and things like that are not going to bother it, so that part of it is really great. And then in addition to that, it has these nice legs and cross members and everything built in for that added stability. Whenever you're done, this actually all just can fold up, really nice and compact for whenever you're ready to travel, which is great. So that folds up nicely, and then this simply pulls up like this as well and collapses everything back down really quickly, which I like. And then they do provide you with a strap here that can strap around and snap that into place. So now if you're going to strap this onto the back of a backpack or want to put this in a suitcase and travel, it condenses down very nicely into a small area, but yet gives you that large surface.